My name is Sharon Hunt. I'm a healthcare in Morrison Hospital Theatres. Every day is different. We help set up all the equipment. We make sure that any equipment needed is brought into theatre and checked. The patient gets called. Once everything's set up, they come into theatre. Once the procedure is done, we generally do a basic run. If anything's needed, we have to run in and out of theatre and get whatever is needed. At the end of the procedure, the patient gets transferred back onto the trolley, and then we go in behind and we clean up, ready for the next patient. I've always wanted to work in the hospital. When I left school, I applied for a pre-nursing course and a social care course. I managed to get the two courses, but I chose the social care course. I didn't like it, I hated it, so I left, and being young, I went into a factory and I was there for 10 years. I ended up working in Tesco's, working nights for 19 years. So I thought it was time to make a change, and at 50 I decided to totally change my career path. I got sent a link by my friend for an open day in Neath Talbot Hospital. So I went along with an open mind, and as soon as I saw theatres on the list, I was so excited. The tutors we had, which came from the college to do her MVQ here, she was amazing to help me through because I hadn't studied for so long. She really did help me, and it made my confidence grow. My tutor has nominated me for Apprentice of the Year, which I'm really, really pleased and grateful that she thought of me for that position. It's really exciting, you know, but it's been a pleasure to sort of work along with the college because it's just helped my confidence. And I've never been academic, you know, growing up. I've always been hands-on, and with the help she's given me, it's really pushed me forward. My advice would just go for it. You know, it is hard in the beginning, and sometimes the money isn't the best, but it's so worth, you know, being in a job that you love. And it takes a short while to get into because it is difficult to get into the health board, and I think it's an open door as well as getting qualifications.